Hi there, welcome to Martin Shackleton
And Simon Huang.
cooking show, and today we are going to be making some chicken parmesan. In the middle, you will see our chicken. It is boneless, and there's 25 grams of protein included in this meal. Protein is directly involved in the fundamental chemical process of life. Complete proteins contain all 20 amino acids, while incomplete proteins, which are vegetable proteins, include one or more amino acids. For the daily intake of protein, an adult male should consume 58 grams, while for an adult woman, it should be 46 grams.
So for carbohydrates such as the pasta and the breadcrumbs contain 14 grams. Carbohydrates are the most accessible energy source for the body. We need more carbohydrates than any other nutrient other than water in our body. Complex carbs such as pasta take longer to absorb than simple carbohydrates like sugar. Go.
The final macromolecule is the fats. There is only 8.6 grams of fat in this delicious meal. The fats are included in the chicken, breadcrumbs, pasta, and cheeses. Fats come to us from animal sources. They tend to have a higher concentration of low-density lipoprotein. Polyunsaturated fats come to us from plant sources, which have a higher concentration of high-density lipoprotein. Polyunsaturated is good fat, while saturated fat is bad fat. Now we will discuss the micromolecules in this meal. The vitamins included in this meal are vitamin A, which is included from the butter, B2 from the cheeses, B6 from the chicken, B12 from the chicken, vitamin C from the tomatoes and the tomato sauce, vitamin D, which is included in the butter, and vitamin E, which is from the breadcrumbs. Vitamins are essential to the body because they help assist in performing important processes. Vitamin groupings include vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, as well as thiamine. Fat or lipid soluble vitamins include vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Water-soluble vitamins include vitamin C and vitamin B. Vitamins are non-toxic, so it is possible for us to consume an excess dose.
I'll be talking about the function for each vitamin. So for vitamin A, it promotes growth and repair of the body tissue, bone formation, healthy skin, and hair. The next vitamin would be B12, which is riboflavin, coenzymes in red blood cell formation, nervous system, functioning, metabolism of carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Next one would be B6, which is pyridine coenzyme to promote metabolism and nervous and immune system function, involved in synthesis of hormone and red blood cells. And B12 is blood formation and nervous system. Vitamin C, which is healthy cell development, wound healing, resistance of infection. And for D is crucial for helps absorption of calcium, building bone mass, and preventing bone loss. And vitamin E, which serves as an antioxidant needed to normal growth and development. So micromolecules, we'll be talking about minerals. The 7 key minerals include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. Trace minerals which require less than 100 milligrams per day include iron, magnesium, and zinc. In natural form, minerals come from the earth's water, absorbed by plants that we eat.
Kill it with the beat.
First, we're going to begin by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. And I fucked up. And after we've done that, we're just going to spray the pan, put the chicken in.
What type of cheese is this?
This is the Parmesan cheese that we're going to mix with the breadcrumbs.
Dang. Concho.
Now we are going to mix the Parmesan cheese with the breadcrumbs to create the outer layer to cook the chicken with.
Now we're going to melt the butter. Put it in the microwave for 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So now we're going to lightly brush the butter onto the chicken, as you can see. Then we're going to be dipping it into the breadcrumb mixture. More. So now you lightly spray more cooking oil on top and bake in the oven for 20 minutes.
We're now getting water to put on the oven to boil the pasta in. Now that the water is boiling, we will add the noodles to it. So now that the pasta is to our softness, how we like it, we are going to drain out the water. All that steam. Give it a little shake to get all the water out and dump it back. And now we'll wait for our chicken to finish cooking.
So after 20 minutes, you want to flip over the chicken. Safety first, always wear gloves. Dang, it's hot. Dang, some baked chicken. And then put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Go. Now we're going to shred the mozzarella, and it's going to be placed on the chicken right after. So after removing the chicken out of the oven, you can get a teaspoon of sauce over the chicken.
Ketchup.
Next, you can add the shredded mozzarella cheese. Add as much cheese as you want. So we finally got the finished product. Alright, so here's our finished product, and we're gonna enjoy. First bite.
Good. Vitamin E and vitamin K, as well as thiamine and riboflavin.
For B6, coenzyme for protein, and now lightly spray a little more olive oil. Okay, go.
Oh, you want me? Okay. You want me to say it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All hands here.
Okay, dude.